SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to stop blocking pop-ups in Firefox on iPhone. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you need to access something that's being blocked by a pop-up and you're using the Firefox browser on your iPhone, then you can disable the pop-up blocker. You can do this by opening the Firefox app. You can then touch the three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then you can choose Settings at the bottom of this menu. Now you just need to scroll down and find this Block Pop-up Windows option, and then just tap the button to the right of that to turn it off. Now you can tap Done at the top right, and now once you're back on the page where you were trying to see the pop-up, you just need to tap that Reload button next to the address at the top right of the screen.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.